In this video, I'll walk you through how to install ReShade for The Sims 4. If you're trying to enhance the game's visuals, this is the right tool to use. First things first, close The Sims 4 if it's running, and then open up your web browser. Once you're in your browser, head to the search bar and type ReShade. Click on the first link that shows up, which should be the official site, reshade.me. On the home page, click the download button. Next, select the latest version available. For me, it's ReShade 5.91, but yours might be a newer release depending on when you're watching this. After downloading the file, you can either minimize or close your browser. Then open your file explorer and go to the downloads folder. From there, double click on the ReShade setup file you just downloaded. You might get a Windows warning pop-up, click more info, and then hit the run anyway button. Since ReShade is a trusted application, you can proceed, but always be cautious with unfamiliar software. Once the setup opens, you'll see a list of games. If you spot The Sims 4, select it. If it's not listed, click Browse and manually locate your Sims 4 installation folder. In my case, since I installed it through Steam, I go to Steam greater than Steam apps, greater than common, greater than The Sims 4, greater than game, greater than bin. Then select the .x file inside and click Open. Next, click Next, and make sure to select Microsoft DirectX 9 at the top. This is very important. Without it, ReShade won't function correctly with Sims 4. You'll now be prompted to install some presets. For this tutorial, we'll skip that part by clicking Skip. Then click Uncheck All, followed by Check All to make sure all necessary shaders are selected. Hit Next and wait for ReShade to install. Once you see the message that ReShade has been successfully installed, hit the Finish button. Now launch Sims 4 again. When the game loads, you should see a message at the top saying ReShade 5.91 is compiling. That's a good sign. It means it's working. You can now press the home key on your keyboard to open the ReShade menu. From there, you'll be prompted to start a quick tutorial. You can either go through it or skip ahead. Once inside the menu, you can browse through different effects and enable whichever ones you like. For example, selecting the blue effect and checking the box will instantly change how the game looks. And one last thing, ReShade is generally safe to use with The Sims 4, but after game updates, you might encounter issues. If that happens, just reinstall the latest version of ReShade. And that wraps up this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.